Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TENX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling us the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. But before I hop into the question, because of the gap down, obviously it's kind of thrown off the proportions of the chart. So what I'm going to do is just bring this over, and you'll see it'll self-correct itself. So there we go. So back to the question. The question revolves around the fact that since the price was, down here, it has made a very, very nice move. Nobody can really refute that. Everybody would agree, yeah, that the price has actually made a nice, decent bounce. But that does lead to the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering the question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around the single level. And that level is down here at this point, 49 cents. Why is 49 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree in the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 49 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by. So to me, quote unquote, making progress, I'm defining that at 49 cents, staying up above it. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? For this, I actually want to scrunch up the chart just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Nope. So first area of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to be right here, which basically where the price closed, a little bit below it, but right there at, we'll call that 58 cents. And then after 58 cents, next key level up there at the 60-cent mark. So 58, 60 cents, couple levels of resistance. In my opinion, though, right now, breaking levels of resistance, not really the most important part. The most important part, in my mind, is building higher bases, building higher lows, because as long as the chart puts in higher bases, builds higher lows, then as time goes by, the chart's going to take care of itself. So a nice bounce going on so far. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this bounce? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.